Hello again, everybody. So today we're going to work on the Vise screw. I want you to open up AutoCAD Fusion, of course, and we're going to go into Create, and we're going to create a sketch. So we'll select our plane here, and we're going to start with creating a circle. So a center diameter circle, and we're going to make that circle 0.5 wide, or 0.5 in diameter, I'm sorry. Once we have that done, then we're ready to, create something solid here. We're going to extrude that out. So I'm going to extrude that 1 inch. And now we should have our circle here. I'm going to go back to create sketch, and we're going to start working on our threaded shaft here. So we're going to go to create sketch. I'm going to select this plane right here, and we're going to do the center diameter circle again. Now, I've found that this works best when we do it in the 3 dimensions here, the way I'm doing it. So this is going to be a 0.375 diameter circle. And then we're going to extrude that out as well. So I'm going to go to solid here, extrude, and notice the arrow is going in that direction. We don't want to go in that direction. We want to go in the other direction here. So that means that's going to be a negative number. So we want that to go 3.5 inches. So we'll type in negative 3.5. Enter. And then we'll take a look at that. And then we've got our little tip on our shaft that's going to lock it into the vise jaw. So, once again, we're going to go to create sketch. Go to create sketch, and we're going to select this plane. And I'm going to go back to 3D again, because for some reason it seems like it works better in 3D. I'm going to select that center again, and we're going to go with, we're going to go with that center. This circle is going to be 0.187. Enter. And then once again, we're going to extrude that. I'm going to select that center, and this time it shows the arrow going this way for some reason, which is fine. And we're going to extrude that 0.125 out. Enter. And then we're going to draw another circle there again. So once again, go to create sketch. There's the plane that we want. Puts us back. Once again, go back to 3D again. Circle in the center, and this circle is going to be smaller. This circle is going to be 0.125. Enter. And I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit here, so a little bit easier to grasp a hold of. Then we're going to go back to solid, click on extrude, and I'm going to click on that circle I just drew. Once again, it's pointing it in the right direction. We want this to go out 0.125 as well. Enter. And then we're going to draw another circle here on this end. So we're going to create sketch again. This is the plane that we want. And we're going to draw a circle. Once again, I'm going to bring it back to 3 dimensions. Zoom in here. There's a center point of our circle. We want this circle to be the same as our original 1.187. Enter. And then we'll go back to solid here. I'm going to select that outside face, and we're going to extrude that 0.125. Now I noticed that it didn't extrude the center part of that, so we will go back in here and do that. So I'm going to flip it back to the front, and we'll select that middle circle, and then we'll hit extrude as well there. And I'm going to go to home to see which way it's going to put it. Yeah, that's the way it's going to put it. So we'll go type that in 0.125 as well. There we go. There's our distance. 0.125. Enter. And there we have our part. Okay, last thing we got to do is we need to thread this shaft. So I'm going to go to create up here and create a thread. And we need to select the, I think it'll automatically size them. Yep, 3/16 is what we wanted. So it automatically sized the threads for us. Can't get much easier than that. That's it. Save this part as a Vise screw. We're going to do some camming stuff with it, and we're done. Have a great day, everybody.